guys, in this episode we're going to be attempting to make a series of training videos.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah, I was building on the lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure. Working on the plot and the scheme. The true stock trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one.
Okay, well, this is going to be easier because now, like, I can just be very general with it.
You can come in, Rick. If that's right.
Doing your intro.
You don't need me?
No, I want to do it. You gotta help a little bit.
What do I gotta do? He's doing the intro. You don't even need me. I'm out of here.
You're the YouTube star.
Have fun. I'm out.
Yeah, so Rick, just so you're caught up, where the teleprompter for Steve wasn't his style. It felt too forced, so we're gonna just try to do these, a couple sentences at a time, paragraph at a time. Yeah.
I mean, I have all the plans with just like talking points about each one, or I think I can just say like, all right, our first one is unlimited support. I can talk about our holiday hours, our KPIs.
For these particular videos, I think it's okay if people know he's reading, right? They're professional, they're matter of fact, no points are missed, no points are skipped. I can't ever remember watching a legitimate training video that was for like a certification or a license that was like wildly entertaining, right?
Yeah.
But they're pretty, we can't miss anything. I mean, I haven't seen the videos, so you guys.
I'll show you one of them, the one I showed Alex and Steve, and Alex was harsh on it.
Yeah. When you're teaching something and you're reading, most people speak too fast anyways, right? So when the teleprompter goes slow, what it forces you to do is actually slow down your speech. When you read it, you have to learn to slow down your speech pattern and to pause and to take a breath in between. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And if you can do that, you can make it's still not going to feel natural to you, but it will to the audience when they go to play it back.
Is there any way I can pull up the video on my laptop to take a look at
We have to run upstairs. It's because it's in Premiere. I didn't even export it.
Alright.
We're gonna look at it. All right, let's go look at it real quick.
Professional and polished.
All right, let's see Rick's reaction to Steve on the teleprompter.
Welcome back to Cinch University. And in this section, we're going to be going over the core service offering section by section. These plans are not customizable.
You can stop it.
After hours.
It's f***ing perfect. The only thing I don't like about it
A little too much.
is your stuff.
Yeah.
So you're still, that is still edited vlog style where you see behind the scenes. There's no behind the scenes. There's no teleprompter. There's no nothing.
You don't like that camera angle? The
only
only reason
that
why I
was
did that
his-
camera angle is because I actually told him to do that because I got it from John Barrows because he does the same angle where like it shows the entire room.
Yeah.
I know he does, but you should film a side angle. It can be pulled back a little bit so you see more of the room, but let's get the teleprompter out of there.
These cameras are good enough.
Yeah.
I think I can zoom.
You want these? Do you have a copy of the plan in here by any chance, Brandon? Do you have a copy of the slick?
Oh, it's one on the door.
Like, even this, like, all these books gotta go. Sterile, clean, blah, 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 blah.
You think this is too fast though?
I think you're not being detailed enough. So I told you that if I wrote this script for this one video, I'd probably write the script, show it to Brandon, talk about storyboarding it, then I'd show it to you guys for edits, then I'd go back for another draft, then I'd probably send it back to you guys for another, like, that's how much time I would spend. And notice how, like, when I put together a script, I stopped on the word services. I'm like, you use the word services.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Who uses that word? There's no way I would wing this, and we've been doing this for years now, so
Yeah,
like,
you're pretty
I'm
good at it.
comfortable on camera, but I wouldn't wing this one because I have to be intentional with my words. You're fine. Steve, you're awesome in this. Your pace is perfect. Your diction is perfect.
You're
You
handsome.
look good on camera. You're smiling. Like the lighting is great on this. It's a great
Teleprompter.
shot. You look good. You sound perfect.
Okay.
Like, let's, instead of trying to do 8 videos, let's do first video
perfect
one.
video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we'll know.
I think you sound video. I'd be perfect. Yeah.
All right, so let's print out
Yeah, I can
Print out the first one.
So should I print it out and just go through and start
Yeah,
making
because I
edits,
want to
or-
like I want you
edit
to.
it.
Yeah,
Why don't I just keep it on my laptop right now? We can just start editing it downstairs.
That's fine.
Well, you just, if you print it off, other people can see it.
Format on them too a little bit to like be easier to go through the teleprompter. I can see how they're just like.
Yeah.
Big spaces, not big, but
Double,
spaces
like a
in
double
between,
space.
break them out.
So the reason for these videos is every single time when we bring on a new franchise partner, we put them through a training course called Cinch University. Now, a majority of Cinch University is remote, so we want to be able to create the best videos for our franchise partners to be able to learn, especially when they go back into business or when they open up their business. They have the best content to be able to fall back to for any ongoing training.
The first line, everything I put there is something I would change or think about differently. I'll use like Netflix as an example. You watch Netflix, right? Have you ever watched one of those shows that like repeats the intro even when you're binge watching them and you're like, this is driving me nuts,
So awful.
right? It's the same thing. Welcome back. I never left. This is my 6th video today. What do you mean welcome back? Like I need to like the 1,000-foot view first.
I can put that on my board upstairs because I have it all now, and I don't have like, I guess probably in my mind I know the purpose of each video, but I have the titles of each video.
Because again, you are teaching someday 200 locations, the exact words, body language, tone of voice that they should do.
Great.
I know how difficult this is and how much work this is. Whenever you said this, I was like, it's gonna be defeated. He's gonna feel defeated. He's gonna be like,
I don't feel defeated. No, it's honestly, it's good criticism because now.
Well, I told you how hard these are to make.
Yeah.
They're so hard.
I thought I could just throw a script together and be like, just record it.
Yeah.
It's not how it works. Not a good one, and not one that people will actually learn, and this and that. We've been wanting to do a long form commercial. And we have an exact example, by the way. An exact example that we can replicate of one we love. What did we talk about that 2 years ago?
Yeah, at least.
We still haven't done it because it's so difficult.
Yeah.
But
No, it is just a lot. I don't feel defeated at all. I'm just trying to think of like different ways how I can try to organize.
it's just so
it.
much work.
Yeah. I'm just trying to think of the best way to get it organized.
There's only 2 ways to get through this. One is just that you got to dive into it feet first, which you've already started. But then, for me, it's to be ultra organized about it. Video 1, 2, 3, 4, module 1, day 1, module 1, day 1, module 2, right?
Yeah.
How long can those modules be? You haven't even got to that yet, right? You wrote all these scripts, great. How long are they?
Yeah. That's what I was gonna see when the videos are done and how long they're gonna be.
Brendan, look at the YouTube. We put up useless, pointless, ridiculous videos on YouTube that are just funny, entertaining, or just showing you what we're up to. They're like 22 minutes. We're like, how in the world? All right, I got a secret sauce in 2 minutes.
Do you have a podcast in here tomorrow?
I don't think so.
Okay. All right, later.
What I'll do is I will start getting the stuff on the board.
Yeah.
Come in.
It will come in and I'll actually film a little bit. We can talk about it.
Yeah. Because let me get it organized. I might try to start reorganizing some of the stuff already.
Cool.
So once I get it on, then I'll get your view on it, see what you think. I can even walk you through.
I'm actually, like he said, a good guinea pig because I'm not a sales guy, and if I don't understand it,
It's almost like put you through Cinch University.
Yeah.
Like while we record it, I'm not gonna have you go watch the videos because you're editing. Most
yeah.
of them.
Stop swearing, you're killing my video.
Sorry.
Cool. All right. Well, we didn't make a video, but we
Got a lot of content. I
got a
guess.
lot of vlog content.
behind the scenes.
Got-